Ever found yourself stuck in a digital maze, needing immediate help, and just wishing you could pick up the phone and talk to a real person? We've all been there, right? Especially when dealing with online services and platforms. Today, we're going to tackle a very specific question that many of you might have. What is the phone number for Rocket Chat live chat support? Now, before we jump straight into numbers, let's take a moment to understand why this question is so crucial. In today's fast-paced digital world, communication is key. And when it comes to online platforms, especially those designed for real-time interaction, like Rocket Chat, the ability to get prompt assistance is paramount. Rocket Chat, for those who might be unfamiliar, is a powerful open-source communication platform. It's designed to facilitate seamless communication within teams, communities, and even with customers. It offers a wide range of features, including instant messaging, video conferencing, file sharing, and, of course, live chat. But, like any complex system, issues can arise. You might encounter technical glitches, have questions about specific features, or simply need guidance on how to optimize your Rocket Chat experience. And that's where customer support comes into play. In a world dominated by digital interactions, the human touch can sometimes feel lost. We rely heavily on email, online forms, and automated responses. While these methods can be efficient, they often lack the immediacy and personal connection that a phone call provides. Think about it. Urgency: sometimes you need an answer right now. A technical issue might be preventing you from completing a critical task, or a customer might be waiting for a response. In such situations, waiting for an email reply can be frustrating and costly. A phone call allows you to get immediate assistance and resolve the issue quickly. Complexity: some problems are simply too complex to explain in writing. Trying to articulate intricate technical issues or nuanced questions through text can be challenging. A phone conversation allows for real-time dialogue, enabling you to clarify your concerns and ensure that the support team understands your needs. Personalization: talking to a real person creates a sense of connection and trust. It allows you to build rapport with the support team and feel confident that your concerns are being addressed. This personal touch can be especially valuable when dealing with sensitive or complex issues. So, with that context in mind, let's address the core question: finding contact information for Rocket Chat support. Here's what we need to understand. Rocket.Chat support structure. Rocket Chat is an open-source platform, which means it has a very diverse user base. This includes individual users, small businesses, and large enterprises. Because of this, there are a few different ways that support is handled. There is community support, where users help other users. There are also paid support plans for enterprise customers. To find the best way to contact them, it is always best to visit the official Rocket.Chat website. Official channels. The best place to start is always the official Rocket Chat website. Their contact page provides the most accurate and up-to-date information on how to reach their support team. The website is the best place to find information about sales, partner programs, and support for paying customers. From information gathered, Rocket Chat puts a large emphasis on digital communication and online chat and digital forms. Here's a breakdown of how to approach finding the best support avenues. Visit the official website. Go to the Rocket Chat website, rocket.chat. Look for the contact or support section. This is where you'll find the most reliable information. Explore the knowledge base. Rocket Chat likely has a comprehensive knowledge base or help center. This resource can provide answers to common questions and solutions to known issues. Community forums. Engage with the Rocket Chat community forums. You can often find helpful answers and solutions from other users. Sales and enterprise support. If you're a business or enterprise user, you'll likely have access to dedicated support channels. Check your account information or contact your sales representative for details. In essence, while a direct phone number might not always be the primary point of contact for all Rocket Chat users, the platform offers a range of support options to cater to different needs. And it is very important to use the unethical website to find the correct support information. Remember, technology is constantly evolving, and so are support channels. While we might prefer the familiarity of a phone call, online chat and digital support are becoming increasingly efficient and effective. The key is to embrace these changes and learn how to navigate the digital support landscape. By utilizing the resources available online, you can often find answers and solutions much faster than you might expect. And always remember, the most reliable information will come from the source, the unethical website. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.